Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. And here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2020 320 Vantage. Phenomenal seller for us here down in Naples. It's powered by the new Mercury 300s, twin 300s in the back. Plenty of horsepower to get this boat up and running 50 miles an hour top end. Fantastic. Huge seat in the back. You can hold 4 adults comfortably. If you're throwing the line over the side, you can just fold it up. You get the bolsters here for fishing. Huge storage with the storage for the ladder, which goes right into the dive door ladder. It just inserts, just drags down, and then you can. It's easy for boarding, and it's also easy for bringing the fish in. We've got a prep station. We've got a live well right here. So a big live well. Nice prep area here with a sink and a faucet. On this side, you get the seat that does everything. Goes this way, goes the other way. It does just about everything. So this is a phenomenal setup. Then we've got a powered dual seat here that goes powered up and down. So it's like a captain's seat on most boats. Over at the helm, you can put whatever electronics you want. There's plenty of room. We also have the joystick, which gives you the sideways motion on the boat, easy to dock. Sky hook for keeping you in place, and also autopilot. Very large very large room down here. If you need to get out of the sun for a little bit, you got cushions down here. You can have a little lie down there, and then you got a very large head as well. So plenty of room in here. Got a sink. You can shower yourself off, clean yourself up if you want to go out to eat after a nice day on the water. So finally, we come up to the bow. Huge sitting area up here. So six adults comfortably up here. We've got the windlass recessed underneath, and then we've got the beach boarding ladder, which is great for getting on and off the boat without getting in the water. So you've got the light blue hull with the matching underside of the hard tarp. This is just a beautiful boat. So if you've got any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.